Dímelo, mi gente, Marco here again, my video, and today we're going to talk about one of the best services that has dropped in 2025 when it comes to crypto, and it comes from Binance, and it is introducing Binance Junior, a parent control app and sub-account for kids and teenagers. Build family-focused crypto savings and prepare your children for the future empowered by crypto. So it is basically a platform that Binance has built to allow kids from 6 to 17 to have their own sub-accounts that is controlled by their parents. Obviously, if you know me, I got into investing because of my dad. This is really amazing. I wish this platform was out when my dad, got me into investing. I had to go, with him here in New York to Charles Schwab. We opened an account, me and him. It was a really cool bonding experience, don't get me wrong. But something like this, start investing when I was 6 years old, it would have been really amazing. And obviously, this is just to learn, to educate yourself. Your parent is probably, or if you're a parent, you're probably going to be controlling, your kids' savings, all this kind of stuff. But it's really amazing to get kids to learn how to invest, from a young age. So we're just going to watch the video really short, and, it's only 40 seconds. And then we're going to be going over, what this means, how to start, all the restrictions too, because there's some restrictions. So we're going to be going over those restrictions. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you saw in the video, you can monitor their activity. You could also send them money, which is really amazing. And then obviously you set the rules. You said how they want their accounts to be built. Unfortunately, I'm in New York, so my Binance, I cannot use it. Binance US is still not available, so I cannot see the platform in itself. But we're going to be going over all the rules, so don't worry about that. So it says the crypto app for families to empower parents and their children to learn, save, and explore crypto all together as a family. And then we can see here, you have BNB, you have USDC. Obviously, I think you're going to be able to buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, all those kind of, amazing. So grow your family's digital wealth with secure parent control crypto sub-accounts designed for ages 6 to 17. So you save, so you deposit and withdraw crypto into your child's Binance Junior app. You earn, so you decide how you want your child's crypto with API payouts for Binance Earn. And then you send, so your child can send crypto to other Binance Junior accounts with preset transfer limits. So it's good to have those limits. I know I don't have a child personally, but I have heard, from my cousins that are little, or, my littler siblings, that they get their account, they get their mom's card, credit card, whatever it may be. They buy Roblox, they buy like Apex skins, Fortnite skins, all that kind of stuff. So it's really cool that, now they have their own accounts. They don't have to go to your account, and you can set the pre-limits to however money, you want them to spend. So that is really amazing. This is a video that we already saw. So basically how it works is you create an account, you download the Binance Junior's app, and then you link the account. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You don't have to set up other different 10 accounts, open this other account. Once you are KYC'd, and then you could create the account for your children. So basically it says what it is: family-centric account, yada, yada, yada. So it is for people that are 6 to 17, so, small children. And it depends on the local law. So let's just go about the local laws right now. So the age restrictions, so 14 plus, you have to be in Austria, Spain, Italy, Lithuania, Cyprus, Bulgaria, and South Korea. 15 plus, France, Greece, Slovenia, Czech Republic, and 16, Brazil, Germany, Luxembourg, Ireland, and many other countries, right? It's a lot of them, so you can see them here. Sorry. I don't understand why there is a limit restriction, right? I feel, you often see these accounts or these stuff that says, oh, the longer you invest, the more you have to work to have like $1 million in your retirement savings account. I think, if children and their parents, right? Not every children, but if their parents start helping, kids open these accounts, start investing for them, help them, build. My mom started an account for when I was a student, when I was born, a college savings account. I don't know, I had around like $600, $700, and the savings account got up to maybe $50 or $60 more in 30 years, right? I'm 30. So in 30 years, the account grew by like $60. So it would have helped out. Obviously, no discredit to my mom. It's, not a lot of people have the opportunity or the means to do that, right? But, if you can, help your kid out by setting up an account, whether it's Binance, a savings account, really amazing. But an investing account that they could invest, in Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, the S&P, whatever it may be, I think it is really, really amazing. So the transaction limits right here are for, additionally, there's a 400 USD daily limit so that you could send, so limits of transfers, right? They can't just be sending hundreds of thousands of dollars out there to people that, they don't know. Also, you can delete the account whenever you want. So the parent account is able to disable and delete the junior account that is under their supervision. So that is pretty good. You can also open up to 5, Binance Junior's account per parent. So if I don't know how many parents have more than 5 children, but if you are someone that has more than 6, 7, 8, one parent could open one, and then the other parent could open another one. And then this is basically what you need, right? It shows it right here. And some of the features are allows young users to earn crypto in their account via Junior Flex Simple Earn in a jurisdiction that is available. So I don't know what jurisdiction, right, that you're in, whether it is, in Spain and Germany, Luxembourg, wherever you are in the world. Obviously, these have different, limitations. So check what the limitations are in every single jurisdiction. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're a parent watching this video, or if you are a child, I don't know how many children, 6 to 17, there are some like 18 plus year olds that watch the videos. But if you're a parent and you're somewhere in the world that's not in the United States, hopefully this is going to come to the United States sometime soon. I think this is really a great avenue to explore, right? I saw a lot of people being really critical, like, oh, now, they want to take our 6-year-olds like money, and they want to like have them like be gambling and doing 2x, 3x, 100x leverage. I don't think that's the case. I wish my dad got me into investing, and I wish, more parents and more moms and dads, grandparents, even aunts, whoever it may be, could get their relatives that are younger age into investing into crypto, because it is a future, right? How our parents or our grandparents transferred money is not how our sons, your sons, our daughters are going to be, doing these transactions, right? Now everyone uses like Venmo, Cash App, whatever it may be. Eventually, people are going to use Binance, people are going to use Coinbase to transfer money. So it's a great way for them to start earning, learning, and just being in crypto. So honestly, one of the best services that we have had in crypto this year, probably is going to be until next year, and so on and so forth. So happy for Binance, happy for Binance Junior, and everyone that's in crypto. Please always remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Have a happy Friday, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.